using these 3 words so you can harness the law of attraction to manifest your dreams and empower yourself to push the boundaries of manifestation. The words we use are a tool for the mind to create a reality. These 3 words are commonly used by most people without them even knowing the adverse effects they have on their lives. These 3 words are actually blocking the positive manifestations from coming into reality in your life. As soon as you become aware of these words and remove them from your daily vocabulary, you will soon find out how they will change your life. The law of attraction will begin to work positively in your life, and you will begin to see great results. Let's begin by looking at each word one by one to understand their impact. The very first word that people commonly use in their daily conversations is the word hope. When you say the word "I hope," there is a negative energy attached to it. There is also a negative emotion that is hiding behind the word hope. It holds emotions that you actually believe that you can't get something in your life and you are waiting for a miracle to happen. You are saying that you do not believe that it will happen, but maybe some magic will occur. We will get there by saying that you are putting yourself in a state of deprivation. You are saying that you do not believe that you are worthy of something good to happen to you. It comes out so casually that you don't even realize it. I hope I can have a great life. I hope that I can find my perfect soulmate. I hope that I can live a healthy life. I hope that good opportunities find me. I hope, I hope, I hope. The continuous use of these words in your daily life creates a vortex of negative energy all around you. If you want to use the effective law of attraction in your life to manifest your desires into reality, then you have to understand that the law of attraction works on the basis of your energy only. The energy that you radiate into the universe is what is going to come back to you. If you are coming from a vibrational energy of feeling deprivation and unworthy, then that is what you are going to attract to yourself. The more you feel the deprivation, the more that deprivation will be created in your own life. Whatever is on the inside of you reflects to the external world. Instead, whenever you are speaking about your desires, be mindful of what you're saying. Keep an eye on yourself whenever you say these words in your conversation. Stop right there and change them. So what is it that you can say instead of saying, I hope? Well, if the word I hope comes from a point of desperation and vulnerability, you need to change these words into something that has the vibrational energy of certainty and abundance. So whenever you catch yourself saying, I hope, change these words with, I know. I know that I'm worthy of living a great life. I know that I will find my perfect soulmate. I know that I am going to get the promotion at work. Remove I hope from your life and replace it with I know, forever. As soon as you begin to make these changes, it will reflect positively in your life. I know that good things are coming my way. Take note of the change in energy that comes with saying these words. I know there's an excitement and positivity of energy associated with these words. And hence, the universe will shower you with abundance. The second word that we're going to address is the word I need. I need to have a partner. I need to have a house. I need to have a car. And of course, the list goes on. What you are actually saying every time that I need something, and what energy does that behold behind it? You're simply saying that you are a needy person. You are saying that you are living a life of deprivation. You are running behind those things that you do not have in life, leaving you feeling embattled from within, because that is what you feel you deserve in life. Have you ever noticed how most people are living their life like this without even realizing it? You would be talking to someone in your family or one of your friends, and they will tell you that I need such and such to happen to me. That would be great if it just happens. We live in a world that is filled with the abundance of everything we could ever imagine. The world is filled with the abundance of love, with the abundance of prosperity, the abundance of happiness, and everything else dear to the human species, if you only let yourself feel the worthiness and abundance from within, then you will be able to access all of these things. The universe wants to bless you in beautiful ways. All you have to do is stop looking on the outside for your own happiness. Your desperation will only repel your happiness away from you. The more you are desperate for something, the more the universe will continue to deprive you of it. It's the energy that you put into your words, again, that can bless and make your reality. Have you ever noticed how a person is usually attracted to someone who does not appear as desperate to them? We are attracted to people who are not clingy. It's embedded in our psychology. The same thing goes with our inner self. You need to feel that you are abundant in all fields of life. You come from a place of content with yourself. You do not need someone to help you feel prosperous. My life is filled with abundance. My life is filled with prosperity. I amplify this emotion every day. Tell yourself that. Tell yourself that again and again. And give yourself a reason for it. I know that I am worthy and abundant because I am passionate. The universe blesses me every day. I have a life ahead of me to explore the world. I have everything I could ever imagine. There is a difference between the energy of the word I need and then saying I'm abundant. Focus on the things that you have in life and begin to radiate positivity based on that. You are a personification of vibrational energy. Channel that energy into its purest form. Everything you desire already exists somewhere in the universe. When you become united with everything that exists around you, the universe will bless you in miraculous ways. New opportunities will show up without you even trying to push yourself towards them. The third most negative word that you can say for yourself is the word I can't. I cannot do this. I cannot do that. I cannot achieve this in my life. These are all negative emotions that arise due to some previous experience that you may have had in life that are holding you back to this very day. It's the result of those past experiences that your subconscious mind believes that you are unable to achieve something in life. Let's look at J.K. Rowling, for instance, before the release of her first book in the Harry Potter series. She was leading a miserable life. She lost her mother, she lost her relationship, and she lost a child in the process. And later, yet again, fell into an abusive relationship. She was also refused by many publications. What if she would have believed that she could not? If she would have told herself that she could not be a published writer, she would have never created the fame that she currently has today. She told herself that she could, and all of us know what happened next. Her books were sold out from all bookstores, and she became a world-renowned author. Before the miracle happens, everything may seem to be miserable, but it is your belief and strong determination that can bring your desires into reality. Take a look at Oprah Winfrey. She pulled herself out of poverty and is now one of the richest people in the world. If she would have believed that her poverty had no end, her life would have spun very differently. Even Steve Jobs says that the world is built by people no smarter than you. By the word you, he means people just like you and I. Simple, ordinary people. But only those people have the ability to change the world. And the people who believe in themselves, whatever you believe that you are on the inside, always reflects on the external world. So keep in mind that everything you can imagine is everything that you can achieve. Never tell yourself, I cannot do this. Remove this from your vocabulary and start saying, I can. The world is filled with infinite possibilities of everything yet to happen. Look at Elon Musk, who has a dream to colonize Mars. He started the SpaceX program. That's his vision, and he believes that he can bring it into reality one day. When asked how he was able to compete with NASA in order to launch his program, he simply responded that he reads a lot of books. You can see how he was laser focused on his vision without being insecure about NASA. He is doing what he is doing because he believes simply that he can. Make this decision for yourself today. You are going to change your life for the better because you have the power to change your reality. You hold everything within you that you have always desired. You are going to change your life for the better because you have the power to change your reality. You hold everything within you that you have always desired. You are going to change your life to get your dream life. So stop asking yourself why and start telling yourself, why not? You can have it in your life with positivity and happiness. You have the ability to be the best version of yourself today. You deserve to be abundant. You will meet new people who will fill your life with excitement and positivity. Your positive attitude will attract positivity into your life. Begin to invest in yourself and stop telling yourself that you cannot do it. You can do everything that you can think of. Immediate changes will become evident once you change how you talk to yourself in this positive way. The work starts from within. You must believe in the power of yourself.